Okay, so
Hi. So my name's Robert, and we're working on homework 4. This is part 1. So I guess we need a terminal window to run to run. Oh, where's the terminal window? Oh, here it is.
there's already a terminal window open.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, on the right side.
Oh, I see. You're doing it. I usually have it at the bottom. That's fine. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah, let me move it to the bottom.
Yeah, that's easier.
Doesn't want to move to the bottom. Let me just delete this and open a new terminal. All right.
I'm still seeing it. I'm still seeing it at the side, but I don't know how I move it around.
Just click on the window tab that's like near the tab where it says bash, and you can just drag it.
Just drag it.
Yeah, click on the
Oh, hang on. That's sort of. Oh, that's better. Right. That's how I like it. Okay. So I guess the first thing to do then, you haven't done anything yet. So we've got this feature, and so I suppose the first thing to do is to run Cucumber and see what happens.
Well, right now we haven't implemented anything yet.
Yeah. So Cucumber should tell us what to do, hopefully.
Do you have the instructions for the assignment?
They are here.
Let me pull them up, open too.
No, there we go.
If I can find it.
Oh, that's the wrong thing. Hang on. Yeah, can you? Are they there?
1 second.
That's them. I've got them there.
Yeah, I have it on my screen now, the homework.
Yeah, okay. So, so what I did was I just started with Cucumber features filter thingy. Oh, that doesn't seem to want to work. Where are we?
We're right now on the feature movie list and the movie steps.
No, it's which directory are we in?
Okay, I've opened up all the 3 files we need.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so the first step we have to do, add the code in the movie step. So do you want to drive first, or do you want
yeah, I'm going to do the first bit. So create a declarative scenario step for adding movies, okay? So it says that the background step of all the scenarios requires that the movies database contains the movies, and it's actually saying, I'm just going to run the thing down here and see what happens. It should tell us that this. Oh, we get that warning. Yeah, it's saying that the movie steps following movies exist thing has not been implemented. So there's a step definition missing.
Yeah, so it's the top part of the code that we need to implement.
This one, yeah. So it says each returned element will be, it iterates, so it basically gets past a list of hashes, and I guess you can just use each hash to create the movie thing directly.
Yep.
So we'll see if that does the trick.
I think you need to add a exclamation point right here, so it saves it actually.
Oh. Well, that's interesting. I did it without the exclamation mark.
Oh, did it work? I did it with the exclamation and it worked. So, well, if it doesn't work, we'll try that.
Okay, well, let's see what happens anyway.
First, before we do this, I think we have to run some code to make. Never mind, we don't have to do that.
You think we have to set up the database or something?
No, not for this one.
Okay, that seems okay actually. It seems to be passing. So it seems happy, although you could be right. It might not have actually put them in the database. So maybe we've got.
Just put a exclamation point just in case. It won't do any harm or.
Okay, you think that's kind of better, and I think I'd like to fix that. There's a silly problem with one of the config files which I want to fix as well. So it's complaining about this one here, and it's saying that this option is being deprecated and it should be file rather than asset. So if I just fix that, then hopefully that will. Now, if I run it, we won't get that deprecated warning anymore. Okay, so that's working, which is good. I can't, and you see we've not got that deprecated warning anymore that we were getting before. We're getting all that rubbish there about config serve assets, so that's gone. Okay, so that's the part one bit. Now, so I think we've done part one. Do you agree that we've done part one?
Yeah, part one's done.
That seemed pretty easy. Okay, so now it says, do you want to start on part two? Then we'll switch over.
After maybe you do the first a few parts, and then I'll just switch over.
Okay, that's fine. I'll have a go at the first bit then. So, complete the scenario, restrict to movies with PG or PR ratings in filter list movies. Okay, so
now we're in the filter movie list.feature file.
Okay, so it wants me to fill in some steps here. So I have to say things. Okay, I need to maybe look at the kind of things that I can put in the web steps. When I fill in.
So you basically have to check and uncheck the PG.
Okay, that's right. So it's when I check. Okay, right. So what I need to do is something like, so the first step is going to be, okay.
If you look at movie steps, they've already, it's unimplemented. We have to implement this, but all you could do is say, when I check the following ratings, and then when I uncheck the following ratings for the second step.
Oh, okay. Right. So that means we're kind of doing two steps at once, aren't we, sort of thing? So yeah. Okay. So when I check the following ratings, so it's so I just say check field or something? Is that right?
No, you just repeat right now in the movie step it says when I check the following ratings, you copy that exactly, and after the colon you just specify the ratings with a comma.
Oh, sorry, I'm confusing the steps with the scenario. Yeah, so this what am I doing?
You can just copy this line. Just copy this line here, except remove this part for the check part, and then add PG and R after this.
Okay, so you're saying when I I see what you mean. Yeah, got it. So the first one is when. Okay. When I check the following steps, and the steps I have to check are PG, right, and
remove the space in front of the behind the R. Like when we implement this feature, like this method, next it'll make it easier.
Remove the spaces. How do you mean?
It's optional, but I guess we can live without it.
Okay. Do they need to be quoted? Do you think?
No, they don't need to be quoted at all. The regex will handle that.
Yeah, and I think the regex will deal with. Oh, I guess, yeah, I see what you're worried about, because it's going to it's going to, when you do the string split, it'll have the string with a space on the front. Is that what you're concerned about?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair enough. So okay, so then when I check the following ratings, when I uncheck the following ratings, so these are all the other ones. So they are G, is G and PG-13.
Yeah.
Are there any others?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, in the UK we call them different things. We have U for unclassified, and we have X for very classified, kind of 18, over 18, and that kind of thing. I think we've changed all the classifications. Enter step to submit the search form. Okay, so that's.
Do you want to rotate now, because I think it's been like 10 minutes?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll drive now, and so enter step to submit. So
yeah, so that's the first two.
I think that's the name of the button. So, and then enter steps to ensure that PG and R movies. I guess in movie steps.
By the way, should it be when I do this and I do this? Should they all be ands, or can you have two whens?
I think you can have two whens, but I guess it's good. If we get an error, we'll fix that.
Okay.
But I think we should change this to an and, just so it looks cleaner.
Okay.
And then enter steps ensure that PG and R movies are visible. So I guess it should be like
So is this? I mean, we're supposed to get some clues, I think, if we look at what's in web steps or something.
web steps handles the basic things.
Okay, well,
like the and I press refresh button. Web steps handles that.
okay, yeah. But it's kind of, what I'm saying is it kind of gives us a vocabulary of things we can do. Okay.
Yeah.
So it says we can check things, we can uncheck things, we can. Okay. It looks like then I should see. Does that look right?
Yeah, I think we should do that. Then I should see it, and then just make a whole list of the movies that have the same ratings.
Yeah.
So, PG, then that's this.
Yeah, so The Incredibles and Raider of the Lost Ark, by the look of it, those are the other two.
Yeah, it's R and PG, so.
Okay, I missed one. Yeah, I missed Amelie. Yeah.
Yeah, and then Incredibles and Raiders are the
That's
only
right.
ones.
Yeah, they're the PGs.
I guess that's for all the and I should see, and then it should be and I should not see after that.
Yeah, is that what it is? It's
Yeah, that's what I think
I
it
should
is.
not see. Yeah, then I should not see. Yeah. Oh, sorry, wrong one. It's this one.
The hell.
So Aladdin, The Help, Chocolat, 2001.
And then Chicken Run, I guess, is the last one.
Chicken Run's the last one, yeah.
And then I guess that's it for this scenario right here.
Okay, we might as well delete all the comments then because we don't need those anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we? So shall we save? Maybe need the blank line. I don't know if you do or you're not, but it's kind of cleaner.
Yeah, it
Than,
looks prettier.
yeah. Okay. So if you save that, we can run Cucumber and see what happens.
Do you want me to run it?
Yeah, you might as well. Or are we sharing the terminal or not? Perhaps I should run it in case the terminal isn't shared. So I'll just make sure it. So this is.
Yeah,
Is
you
this?
can run it.
Is this? Yeah, this is filter movie list.
Oh, on the Hangouts, did you click on your screen to make it the main one?
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
Like it should have a white border around your screen because if you didn't do that, it will keep switching between our screens.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Hang on. I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to answer the phone. Actually. Oh, actually, no. I'm not going to answer that one. Yeah, that's gone. Okay. So how are we doing?
What is it failing on?
Okay.
Oh, it's unimplemented. We haven't implemented when I uncheck and check the following ratings.
So when I check the following ratings, unimplemented. Okay,
that shouldn't be too hard to fix.
So this will be in web steps, won't it?
No, it's in movie steps. All the code we're adding is in movie steps.
It's in movie steps, yeah.
I guess we could just do.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we have to do something here. So it says use string split.
I'm just gonna do rating list dot split.
Yeah.
And then with the comma and dot each do.
Yeah.
Rating and then end. So if it's uncheck, then check. I think. No, it's uncheck. And then that should be the ratings. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, something like that, isn't it? Is it worth having a quick look at the view to see exactly what we have to do here?
This is just using. This is just the ID of the rating that we did in the homework 3.
Yeah, I'm just. Should there be a square bracket in there or something?
Another end. What do you mean?
I'll just have a quick look at the view and see what the view's saying. Where's the view gone? It's app, isn't it? View.
I'm on moviesteps.rb.
Yeah. No, I'm looking at what's actually in the HAML.
Yeah, I remember. It's ratings dot underscore dot hashtag.
Yeah, that's right. There it is. So that's. Yeah, that should be okay, I think. Okay.
Do you want to run Cucumber again because I think we fixed that part?
Yeah. I think that looks good to me. And we'll maybe just take out that exception as well. So.
What is it feeling on now?
It's not doing anything at the moment. It's thinking.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen that.
Oh, there it goes. Right. Wrong number of arguments given.
On what line is it talking about?
So it says wrong number of arguments.
So it's saying movie steps, the line 31. So I don't know what that means by that, but.
Actually, sure. It should. I think if it's an else statement, it should just be if uncheck, do that, else do that. I think you just need to do that.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, now it should work.
Okay. Did you save it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's whinging about some other syntactics thing, but use the new expect syntax or explicitly enable should. Well, we won't worry too much about that.
All right, so let's rotate, and you can do that. You can do it now.
Okay, so where have we got to? Give and I check the following ratings. So we've basically done this, haven't we? Yeah.
We're on number 3 of part 2, I think.
We're on number 3. Yeah. Okay.
The next scenario.
So this is the one that says, "Oh, sorry, I'm going to have to take this phone. Can we? I'll be. If you just wait around, I'll be back shortly. Okay."
Right.
Yeah. Just put it on. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Sorry about that. That was my wife calling.
All right.
Okay. So, right. So then it says for the scenario, all ratings selected, it would be tedious to use, and I should see to name every single movie, which is what we've just done. To fix this, create step definitions that match steps of the form, then I should see all of the movies. Okay. Consider counting the number of rows in the HTML table to implement these steps. If you've computed rows as the number of table rows, you can use the... Okay, right. So it's... Okay, so what it's asking us to do is implement this thing. And so that's right, isn't it? I have to implement this. Then I should see all the movies, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess what it's saying is I should see all the movies. It's suggesting that I should, I think I should look at I should look at the page object. Is that right?
Yeah, it's the Hamel part.
Okay. I should say expect page to have content, whatever.
Yeah, there's you just count the number of TR rows, which are basically the display for each movie, and just count that. If it's equal to 10, it's good.
Okay. So I'm going to say right. So I've got page.body. So it's going to be something like
you can do like I think the Hamel part is called T body, so you can do within T body do and then say all dot tr dot count dot should equal 10.
oh, okay. So hang on. So how what do I say again? So
You can do within
yeah.
and then quotation marks and then T body, because I think that's the name of the Hamel. Do you have the Hamel file open?
Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, T body within T body. Yeah.
And then you can do
Yeah.
like yeah, and then say all the parentheses quotation tr and then
Okay.
dot count.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. So this is using some kind of query syntax thing on which I hadn't read about this, but so it's basically looking up stuff in this. So it's all dot count equals it's 12. Is it? Is that the right number?
I think it's 10. Let me check the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's 10.
yeah. And I guess that's double equal sign equal 10.
Shouldn't it be
Maybe it has a dot should right here.
yeah, it shouldn't.
Like
this is Ruby code, isn't it?
yeah, but I think a dot should be here.
Oh, well. Okay, there's something I don't understand. This syntax here within T-body do. So is that's going to iterate over something? Is it?
The within just like makes it so that you're within the T body, and then and that's gonna put you inside the T body.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess it just gives you access to its stuff, and so you can like say all tr count to equal 10.
Right. So but it's within like a method that's returning that's calling a closure.
Yeah. So I think when you say when you put a do and end, it just returns the entire T body or something like that.
Okay. So you think it's that basically?
Yeah, I haven't looked much about it yet.
Okay. Well, we can give that a try and see what happens.
I think a dot should be here though.
Maybe I should look at the. Is there some query?
No, like right where we're checking the dot count equal 10. Since this is Cucumber and kind of RSpec, so you need to put dot should equal 10 to make sure the test passes.
Okay. So
because this is like this is not inside an and an if and else. It's like just floating around. So there should be a dot should here.
Okay. Dot.
Yeah, yeah, that should do it.
Okay, that's a weird syntax. I need to read some documentation, I think, because I don't understand this stuff. Okay, right. Well, let's run it and see what happens.
Right now it's not going to do anything because we haven't implemented a scenario yet.
Oh, okay. So what is this? Sorry, what is the thing we're supposed to be doing here?
On the filter movie list out feature, and then on the most bottom scenario.
Use okay. So for the scenario, it would be tedious to use this. Okay, so it's saying that. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I see. Expect rows.
We already done that part.
Okay, they're saying use it like that. Expect rows dot to equal value. Okay, fine. You reckon that what we've written is okay? Because we haven't used that syntax. We've done something a bit different.
But right now we need to write the scenario for this.
Okay, so that means we need to go.
Filter movie list dot feature file.
Okay, yeah. So then, the assignment says when I check the following ratings,
and you can just say all the ratings.
When I check all the ratings.
No, like just say when I check the following ratings, and then after that write all the ratings. Like,
okay, yeah.
Because if we did that, I think we're gonna have to implement that step. Like,
yeah, that's what we would. Yeah.
No, it's we would have to write a new method for it if we did that.
Yeah. Okay, so when I check the following message, PG13R, right?
Yeah, and then press the button.
And okay, then I should see all the movies.
I think it's, yeah.
Then I should see all the movies. Yeah. Okay.
So that should work.
Okay. Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So do you want me to switch roles now?
Yeah. Okay, so you'll take over now and you'll do the part 3 one, yeah?
Yeah, so I think we have to go change files now to
we need
to the sort movie list feature
Yeah, okay.
And for some reason I can't open that file.
Yeah.
Why can't I open? Okay, now I can open it. So I'm on the sort movie list.
There it is there. I've got it for you.
So I guess on this you just sort movies alphabetically, and in movie steps there's a method that says then I should see blank before blank. So I guess if we sort a movie alphabetically, then it should just be then I should just add and alphabetically.
You should see Aladdin before Amelie.
Pardon me?
You should see Aladdin before Amelie. Oh, you should see 2001 before Aladdin.
Yeah, yeah, that's a valid one. Yes, that's it, but we have to implement that method here, so...
So
I guess pos 1, we have to use the body.index, I think, so equal to page.body I think it's index.
do you need to use the T-body thing again? Is that the way to go?
No, it's if you read the comment, it says if it says to use the page.body thing.
Okay. So yeah, so page.body is just some mega string. So
yeah, so oh yes, it is index. I was looking online to see which one what is it. So I guess pos 1 and then pos 2. Position 2 is equal to page.body.index e2, and then I say, then I guess I do
pos 1 less than pos 2.
Yep. I guess we need to return that, or
No, don't think you need the return if it's normal Ruby. Oh,
like
okay.
that maybe. See if that works. Or maybe we have to use a cert. I'm not sure, but I think that should work.
Okay. So this one we're running is going to be this is Thought Movie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that seems to have worked.
But we haven't implemented scenario 2.
Okay, yeah. So scenario. So you also need to do the scenario 2, which is the that sorting by release date or something.
Yeah, so I guess just do the same thing again.
Yeah.
Then I should see 2001. And before Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Yeah.
And if you run that, that should work. And
Yeah. Okay, that seems to work, but I'm not sure that's a great test actually, because 2001 would be before Raiders of the Lost Ark, regardless of whether it was tested alphabetically or regardless of whether it was tested by release date or by title. So maybe you want to test where the order is different.
well, I don't have the website running right now, so I would have to check it again.
Well, yeah, but what I'm thinking, for example, is if we do it by the Terminator will come before Aladdin, won't it?
Yeah.
So why don't you change it to be the Terminator before Aladdin, and then that's a better test, because they would definitely not be that way round if it was. Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that should still work.
Hopefully. And in fact, for symmetry, we could say, for the first one, we see Aladdin before the Terminator, and for the second one, we see the Terminator before Aladdin. So, okay. So that looks that.
So I guess we're done with the homework.
Yeah, that seems good. Okay, that was relatively straightforward.
Yeah. Okay. Can you send me the link to this video in the glitter chat?
Sure. Yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, nice to meet you, and
nice meeting you too.
Thanks for your help. I'm going to have to look up that querying syntax. I don't understand that at all, but
yeah,
I'll figure it out. Okay, many thanks. Anyway, bye for now.
Bye.